All right, we're going to solder to the can of the motor. Now realize the can of the motor is a big piece of metal. It's going to take a lot of heat to get a good solder join. So I'm going to clean the tip, put a little bit of fresh solder there. Got it nice and hot, the iron. Move this away. There's my sanded spot that I'm going to target. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the iron down, and I'm going to let it sit there for a few seconds, put some more solder, and I'm going to kind of rub the can of the motor to break through that oxidized coating that you sanded through already. So I'm rubbing a little bit. It's really rough. I can feel it's not melted. Now it's starting to feel melted, and I see that it looks nice and wet. And that's it. So now you have a good bond on the can. Then I'll take this wire from the capacitor. I'm going to put a little solder on the wire ahead of time as well. And now I will be able to line this up and join them together easily. And it will be strong because we've bonded to the motor can. I'm going to melt that down again and bring that right in. And there we go. So now you have a solid joint. It's not going to come off. And the can gets hot. All right, that's how you do that for a good solid joint.